Yep, it's Monday. And your girl did no dishes over the weekend, so we have hella dishes to get done here. So, let's get to going. So, today is Monday. I got up, did this eye look, which you guys will see, will have already seen by the time you see this. And I need Diet Mountain Dew. So this is the only one that I'm going to have today. It'll be water the rest of the day. Not sure how much of washing Oda dishes y'all would have seen, because I do plan on fast forwarding through it. But again, I had my earbud in, so I was listening to music. I had a horrible migraine yesterday. Actually, okay. So I'm back at my desk because I'm pretty sure my break is over. But I still have some things to tell you. So, I had a horrible migraine Sunday, the 24th. So, I ended up not doing as much as I wanted to do. I do have, hold on. I always have my hair up in a bun. You guys see that. Today it is going to be down because I'm pretty sure that and the lack of caffeine may have been what caused it. And you're going to get more video of me today because I do plan on going for a walk on my lunch break. This was just my first break, which is really later than normal for me. We have one-on-ones every day, or not every day, every other week with our supervisor, but he was off last week on vacation, so it ended up being today, and so it kind of pushed everyone off a little bit. But now I am back to work, and yeah, I'm just going to listen to some more music in my earbud. And then hopefully for the rest of the week, I'll still be able to get up pretty early. Oh, dang it. Thank you for being a friend. And these calls that keep coming in are driving me insane. Yeah, so anyway, I'm back to work. We'll do some walking this afternoon. Hopefully, I'm not sure if my child's going to go with me or not. If not, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to take the kitty cats with me. Because I think it's supposed to be 60 today. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with our weather here in Michigan, but you know, shit happens. I will have my hair up when I'm out for a walk just because I don't want to have to deal with it being in my face or me sweating and getting it all wet and gross again. And my child just walked in, so I need to yell at him for a second, and then we will see you when I go for my walk. Hey folks. Ooh. It seems that we have another summer, or spring day rather, and we're walking with the kitty cats. And yes, Linda is in the back. I promise you, Linda was in the front for a period of time. But Tigger, being Tigger, hi Mr. Linda, woo! Can you take that? It's still recording. Okay. So you're gonna be a little cattywampus for a minute. Okay. Alright. You wanna push? Go ahead. Just walk at your normal pace. I'll catch up. There's a cat up ahead. We still have a little bit of snow on the ground. It's been a minute since your girls walked, but we have this challenge that I created at work. At the next fence where that tree is, I'm gonna need to stop. You see, there's some snow. Keep going, Alex. So we have this challenge at work, and my son is making me go around him because he's not walking fast enough. Anyway, here's another poop. So we're seeing how long it takes us as a team to get from Bangor, Maine to State Park something in California. I do have to stop. It went from needing to be completely bundled because there was snow to walking outside in short sleeves.
He's hogging like the whole thing. Oh, he's looking through this little thingy. You guys having fun?
Alright folks, as you can see, we are back and the cats are still in the stroller in the front yard. Tigger is trying to figure out a way to get out.
I'm gonna let Tigger out.
No, because you can't let him out and not Linda.
The other one doesn't know how to stay in the yard, the other one does not
Well,
stay.
I gotta get back to work in 7 minutes.
Okay, I'll
Oh, Linda.
so fast. Tigger, be a good boy. Look at that. What? I didn't have to do nothing.
So Tigger got let out, and poor Linda is still in there.
And look how good of a boy we raised.
We?
Well, yeah, what do you mean? He's been a part of my life as long as he's been a part of your life.
Who had to bottle feed him? I bottle fed him and Kazoo. Well, they're attached to me.
Oh, poor Linda's trying to get off the same way here today.
Linda, you can't be trusted yet, baby. All right, folks, you're moving because it's kind of windy. We are back at the house. You just saw the cats. Well, Linda in the stroller. Tigger got let loose, and now Tigger is running away. So Alex gets to go chase him. Because I'm not the one that let him out. So we're heading back in the house. I have to be back to work in 6 minutes. So I need to get something to drink and probably something to nosh on because I'm getting kind of shaky. So I will, if it's nice like this tomorrow, we'll be back out here for another walk tomorrow. And we'll just keep going from there. And you guys are I need to figure out how to get my camera fixed, or the app that I'm using fixed so that I can see if I'm level or not. Or maybe I need to flip it upside down. It says I'm at 31% straight. It used to be at an even 0 when it was level, but it's showing 31. Did Tigger go in the house?
Yeah.
Did he go upstairs?
On his own.
Linda wants to stay outside. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to be in there without your brother?
Is it scary without Tigger?
So Linda said absolutely nothing the entire time. Now that Tigger's not in there with him, he's being a big old whiny crybaby.
You miss your big brother.
He's like, let me out of here. It's lonely with just me. I've never been just me. I've always had Callie or somebody.
There's just so much room in there, you don't have to do it yourself.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to take Linda inside so that he doesn't have a panic attack. I wish I could trust you, but I can't. You're the one that got up on the roof. If you wouldn't have gotten up on the roof, I might trust you.
You're so fast.
Uh-oh. There's your Uncle Cam. Look at your Uncle Cam. He's like, oh shit, I'm in trouble now. In the house.
He came inside all on his own.
Hey, everybody. Yes, Michelle. And I'm already starting to get a headache. So it looks like it's about time to put the hair down. Didn't even have it up that tight this time. Definitely need to get these grays covered. I did get a text that my contacts are in, so I'll be able to go pick those up as soon as my new HSA card comes in. But what we're here for is my Sephora haul. I'm not sure how you're going to see these videos. I don't know if I'm going to do them one at a time or if they're going to just be all clumped into one. But here is my Sephora haul. Again, it's a bunch of different lip liners and some other stuff. I don't have my laptop down here because, of course, I'm down. Sorry about that. Because, of course, I am down in my office area. One thing came separate. It was weird. It's just paper. I don't know what that is. It's one of the lip liners. This little itty lip liner came in its own box. It would have fit in with this other stuff. I mean, when you see what I got, you're going to be like, why didn't they put that all in one box? But I'm going to show you the things that I paid. Well, no, yeah. I only paid for, well, I paid for this too. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. 2 things were free, or 3 things were free. One was my birthday gift. As you know, Sephora does give you a birthday gift each year on your birthday or during your birthday month. So there weren't a whole lot of things to choose from, so I just chose this Cosa. It is a clear brow gel and wet lip oil gloss. So that is the package. Probably going to stick this in the vlog for this week. Here is the clear brow gel. Just take 2. This is the clear brow gel. I'm not going to open it. You know what a clear brow gel looks like. And then here is the wet lip gloss in Unbuttoned. Let's try her on. I am currently on my lunch break. It was like 4 o'clock. I took it very late because I wasn't paying attention. I don't know that it adds any color at all. It feels good. It's not sticky. But you would think something with that kind of color would actually add a... maybe it does add a color. And I just can't see because of this teeny tiny mirror. I don't know. But I have some gloss on. Feels good. So these obviously will be added to my list of products that I have. That was the free item. Then I got this. It's a mini 2-pack. It has the Green Clean Cleansing Balm and the Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I've had the Green Clean Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. Oh, this is from Pharmacy. It's teeny tiny little package. They're minis. And that's what she looked like. It doesn't smell like anything. They don't make the Very Cherry Clean, the one that I absolutely love and would pay $50 to get. And then here is the little mini Pharmacy moisturizer. It comes in this kind of package. It's glass. This is. I almost dropped it. It doesn't smell like anything either. I mean, it has been sitting outside for a little bit. And it's not cold by any means, but of course you didn't see a walking video today, did you? No, you did not, because you know why? Because it's windy as heck outside. And I didn't want to fall. And I've been wanting to try these lip injections from Too Faced, but didn't want to spend $18 on one tall one, so I spent $18 on, or maybe this was $14, on 3 minis. It is the Extreme Maximum Plump, and there's another Maximum Plump. One of them is a gumdrop shade. And then, unless Jeffree Star has a buy one get one free palette sale, you can really buy no more makeup. So this silvery clear one is the what is it called? Extreme. This is the lip injection, and then this one is the gumdrop one. So these look pretty similar. I'm not sure what the difference is. One's got a pink handle, one doesn't. I don't know. So there's those. These will also go in my... I'm working on a spreadsheet that has all my makeup in it. I'm not going as extreme as... I think her name is Heather. No, it's not. I cannot remember her name, but it's My Makeup Obsession. Or my... I'm going to post her photo right here, and I'll try to remember to link her channel in my description box. She's got way more followers than I do, so... I mean, I'm sure if you're following me, you're probably following her. So I got in a Sephora, this is a mini lip liner. It says lip liner to go. I'm trying to find the shade name. Classic Red. Oh my gosh. So this is Classic Red. It's a little mini. Then I got another, I think these are all Sephora. Yes, these are all Sephora lip liners. I got, one of them is in Dragon Fruit. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. Okay, this one is Dragon Fruit. And these were all on sale. This is in Pardon My French. Cashmere Pink. So those are the lip pencils that I got. I do have some coming from Ipsy because they screwed up. So I have that stuff. It's still coming. And then I purchased this. This was, I think, $5 or $10. And it's a bunch of different samples along with a little itty bitty beauty sponge. I would use this to set my eye primer. So I mean, I'll use it. But there's a bunch of different ones. So there's, you put in like your shade range, like if you're light or fair or what have you, and then it gives you a couple different shades for each of the little samples. Like I got 2 for Lancome, one is 115C and one is 100W. So I'd probably get a full face out of one of those. So there's that. And then, what is this one? Giorgio Armani. And there are 3 different ones here. But I don't see a color. Yeah, I'm not seeing a color on it anywhere. I don't know. If someone can tell me where I would find the shade for this, let me know if there is a shade color. There is a shade I should be finding for that. I got Lancome Clear and Glow, 110C, 125W, and 120N. And Makeup Forever, I got 2 of them. One is in, I'm guessing 1R02, down there in the corner. And this one is 1N00. Wait, 2 more. No, this is different. This is Saie, or Say, S-A-I-E. Alright, and this one is very light neutral. And this one is very light peach. And then I get $10 off a foundation. And it came in this little bag. So I'm going to put these ones back in here. And then of course, you know, you always get free samples when you place an order for Sephora. So I got the Lancome. This is the Care and Glow. And it has different shades in it. I don't think any of these are going to be my shade though. So those are the 4 shades. I'm going to stick that in here as well. And then the other one, other one is, yeah, Beauty Blender, that's what I thought. And these ones don't feel like they have anything in them. But I've always wanted to try the Beauty Blender foundation. I mean, I'm pretty sure I would be the light 2, unless they have a light 1, but I'm pretty sure I'd be that one. And it's a skin tint, this one is. So there is my Sephora Haul. How does FabFitMama say it? Life with Christine is her channel name now. Haul. My Sephora Haul. So there we go. I only have one more package coming, and that will be the Ipsy stuff. Yeah, and then, you know, maybe if I go to the dollar store or Five Below or something, we'll do a haul that way. I don't ever do grocery hauls because I'm not the only one that eats the stuff in the house, and the boys don't want to be on camera, so. I mean, I guess Alex kind of has to be on camera when we go for a walk. I would have liked to go for a walk today because it's okay out, like the temperature is good outside, but it's very, very windy, which will make it rather chilly. I didn't do any dishes today. I also need to get some laundry done. that will be a tomorrow thing. This look on my eyeballs today, you will see over on, you'll either see in a short or on TikTok or maybe both. I haven't edited the video. I didn't do any talking in it, which is why it's a short form content. And what else, guys? I really need to figure out how to make this go level again. I have, shoot. I need to figure out when I clocked out. I don't remember. I feel like I should be back by now. So I'm gonna head back to work now. I didn't do a whole heck of a lot. It's 4:20. Smoke them if you got them. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. And I'm gonna stick this in the vlog so you'll see it Sunday. You're watching this Sunday if you're watching it the day it goes up. So we'll see you tomorrow.